Hello, how to solve for A and B in this equation? A plus B is equal to 70. AB is equal to 1,200. Solution. A plus B is equal to 70. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 1,200. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 70. B is equal to 70 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. Also, from equation 2, AB is equal to 1,200. Let us substitute for B. A bracket 70 minus A, which is B, is equal to 1,200. Let's open the bracket. A multiplied by 70. 70A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 1,200. And this is 70A minus A square minus 1,200 is equal to 0. Let us divide all through by minus 1. And this divided by minus 1, this divided by minus 1, and this divided by minus 1. Then this is 70A divided by minus 1. We have minus 70A minus A square divided by minus 1. This is plus A square minus 1,200 divided by minus 1. This is plus 1,200 is equal to 0. Let us put everything in standard form. Then this is A square minus 70A plus 1,200 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. From the general formula, A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A, or minus B plus or minus square root of discriminant over 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 70, C is equal to 1,200. Then discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4AC. This is equal to minus 70 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by C is 1,200. And this is equal to minus 70 square, that is 4,900, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1,200, that is 4,800. This is equal to 4,900 minus 4,800, that is 100. Then we have D is equal to 100. Then square root of D is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Therefore, A is equal to minus bracket minus 70 plus or minus 10 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 70. This is 70 plus or minus 10 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Then A1 is equal to 70 plus 10 over 2 and A2 is equal to 70 minus 10 over 2. A1 is equal to 80 over 2. Then A2 is equal to 70 minus 10, 60 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 40. 2 here 1, 2 here 30. A1 is equal to 40 and A2 is equal to 30. These are the value of A. We've got the values of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 70 minus A. B1 is equal to 70 minus A1 is 40. B1 is equal to 30. Also, B2 is equal to 70 minus A2 is 30. B2 is equal to 40. Therefore, our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 40, 30. A2, B2 is equal to 30, 40. These are the final answer. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 70. AB is equal to 1200. Let us consider this when A is equal to 40 and B is equal to 30. Then A plus B, this is equal to 40 plus 30 must be equal to 70. 40 plus 30, this is 70, is equal to 70, which is true. Also, AB is equal to 1200. 40 multiplied by 30 must be equal to 1200. 40 multiplied by 30, this is 1200, is equal to 1200, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.